Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Oreo inspired gift. Comment what your favorite treat is and maybe I can make a gift inspired by your comment. To make this gift, I grabbed my foam clay, which I'm addicted to, and I modeled three little beautiful panda heads. I decided to give my pandas a little bit of personality by adding some clay charms that I had from a past video, and also by drawing on them different facial expressions with my Posca markers. The next day when they were dry, I attached to the backs of my little bears a magnet, and I also glued the charms in place. With the pandas finished, it was time to design the Oreo packaging, so I grabbed some blue cardstock and I packed my bears tightly in there. I decided to draw up the Oreo logo for my gift, but you can always print one from the internet and just cut it up. Here's my beautiful Oreo inspired gift. Imagine receiving this and opening it to find the surprise of these three cute little bears that can even have a cute little secret message on the back. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share because that will help me to bring you more ideas like this. Have the most beautiful day. Bye!